My brothers and sisters, all business people, come closer. I want to give you a secret. I want to expose something to you big time. Don't tell anybody. This is from me to you. You see that customer that is going to patronize you in a big way. That person, that client that is going to invest in your business in a big way will not stress you. But you see that customer that is poor, does not have money, is not interested in your business, they will ask the most questions. I don't know. I think they feel that the best way to hide their poverty is by asking questions. They feel that the best way to hide their poverty is by giving you the impression that you have not explained enough to me. I need more explanation. It's a lie, Oga. We know your type. You don't have the money. Open up. They are the types that will be on your WhatsApp group asking the most difficult questions the day you add them to the WhatsApp group. How much is the ROI? How much will I be getting per day? Then they always have a history, a story of how they lost money before. I've done this kind of business before. I've lost money before. So that's why I'm asking questions. Oga, you don't have money. Me and you know. I know, you know. Correct guy, you don't have the money. See, business owners, don't ever think, oh, maybe it's because I've not explained well to them. It's a lie. The same explanation you gave to that customer that bought products from you, the same explanation you gave to that investor that invested in your business is the same one you have given this man. Yes, and he is not investing. He is not buying. So you have to take a second look at him. That man is a suspect. At the end of the day, what will end it is, after you have given them all the answers, I will get back to you. Federal government of Nigeria, Senate, I think they need to pass a bill making I will get back to you a crime, 30 years in jail. After a business person explains something to you, satisfies your curiosity, answers all manners of questions to you, the moment you tell them, I will get back to you, you are going to jail. They should make I will get back to you a crime. I went to visit one of my friends that sells female clothes. I was there. Two girls walked into his boutique. One tall, one short. Short people, they have problem. That short one say she wants to buy clothes. Her birthday is coming. This girl, the clothes on the hanger, the highest on the hanger is the one she points out that she wants to test. Just to stress my friend, the owner of the boutique. Bring that one. Is it this one? No, this one is too close now. This one will be easy for you to bring. I want to stress you. Bring the one that is top of the hanger. My friend will climb on a bench, bring down these clothes. He has a room where ladies dress, and there's a mirror there. The testing room, this girl with her friend, they will enter the testing room. She will test the clothes, come back after 5 minutes, say, it is fine, but it's not, the boots were not given when I checked the mirror. Bring that other one. This girl ended up testing more than 59 clothes. Spent more than 3 hours at my friend's boutique. While she was testing and wearing, other ladies would come in, see what they want, pick it up, pay, and go. See, smart people, rich people, successful people, they are decisive people who know what they want and they go for it. You see, time wasters like this girl, they don't have money. At the end of the day, after testing, she was like, when are you going to go to the market again? He was asking my friend. If it was my friend, I would not have answered. My friend too was saying, I will go to the market next week. He said, next week I will get back to you. You can imagine. I called the girl. I asked for her phone number. She thought maybe I wanted to toast her. She gave me a number. I gave her mine. Do you know that the next day when I looked at this girl's WhatsApp status, it was filled with clothes that she was testing at my friend's boutique. Apparently, as she was testing those clothes in the testing room, her friend was taking pictures of her with her phone and video. Now she's putting them on WhatsApp status. I told my friend, that girl is not coming back to buy anything. No. She has achieved her aim. She's just a time waster. Time wasters are everywhere. They think that asking questions would hide their poverty. It doesn't. People like us, we know. And when they are asking those questions, they are not even interested in the answer. I know a lady, she has been on one business WhatsApp group for the past 3 months, noticing her. Every week, so as to remain relevant on that WhatsApp group, she will type, so how does this business work? Then she will go offline. That's to tell you, she's not interested in the answer. Her job is done. Her own is to ask questions. Now you sabi whether you answer or you no answer. Why some will even tell you, call me. You will use your airtime to call them. Tell them about your business, about your product. Waste your money, waste your time. They'll be like, okay, I'll get back to you. That is always the end of the matter. I will get back to you. I will get back to you. They will interrogate you. They will stress you. Jam questions, WAEC questions. They will ask you all those questions. Those people, even if they manage to patronize you, they will buy the cheapest product or they will invest in the smallest package. They have big trouble, small money. Going about frustrating business people, you will think of quitting your business. Look at those that do online businesses now. You create a WhatsApp group. After presenting the opportunity to somebody, they are asking questions, interrogating you. Some will even ask you online, where do you live? Let me come to your house so that you will explain this online business to me better. You want to come to my house? A business where I explained to somebody in Malaysia, somebody in Hong Kong. They got the explanation clearly. They joined and they activated and they are already making money. You want to come to my house to come and do what? Oh, you are a kidnapper. Now I know. They will ask you all manner of questions. I don't know whether asking questions make them feel that the seller is going to think, oh, maybe I've not explained the business well to them. Maybe they have not understood. That is why they have not patronized me. Maybe they have not understood. That is why they have not invested. It's a lie. It's a lie. You don't have money, Oga. It's not as if you don't understand this business. All these questions you are asking, you are trying to hide the fact that you don't have money. That is it. When you see that the questions are too much, the interrogation is too much, start suspecting them. Ask them first of all, show me the money you have. Let me see, first of all. Some will even start making references to their past experiences as an excuse for asking stupid questions. You know, I've seen businesses like this before. It did not work. In those businesses, I invested 50,000. Or I have bought this kind of product before. It did not last. I bought it for XYZ thousand. It's a lie. That man and that woman or that man or woman does not have the money to patronize your business. They are time wasters. I'm sorry for all those people doing online businesses or doing drop shipping and all that, and they open WhatsApp group and they pack people full there. Every day you are doing presentation and Zoom meeting, teaching these people question. You will see one person on one particular WhatsApp group for months, you know, just casually asking questions. They feel that asking questions will make you forget that they have not invested. So, what is the daily percentage? They will ask that question, sometimes they will go offline. When you want to answer them, you see that this person is offline. They just ask that question for asking sake. Please, as a business person, identify time wasters. Don't waste your time with time wasters. They are not interested in your business. They are not interested in patronizing you. They are only interested in one thing. They want to stress you. They want to stress you. After stressing you, what follows now is question on a daily basis. Question on a daily basis. You see some of them on the same WhatsApp group. So, how does this your product work? After you have explained, okay, I'll get back to you. That getting back to you, they are coming with more questions. When you will see their chat again, don't worry, they have brought fresh questions. See, the truth of the matter is that the clients that will patronize you and will make you smile as a business person will not stress you. Will not stress you. Learn how to use your block button very well. Some people are in your life to stress you. Learn this, know this, and know peace. Share this video. Let business people see it. Let's expose all these time wasters so that they'll stop wasting your time. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Victor Isibor. Bye for now.